honey gang, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back, honey. And if you have not already subscribed, girl, what you waiting on? Make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and hit the bell next to it so that you are notified every time I upload. You guys, have you all ever been to Vegas? Have you all ever been to Vegas? Now, have you ever been plus size in Vegas? Can be a little bit intimidating, right? I know it was for me the very first time that I went, but honey, third time's a charm, okay? Because this time, me and my husband, we went to Vegas for our 7th wedding anniversary, and honey, I had the fits, okay? I had the fits. So if you are interested in finding out what I wore as a plus size gal in Las Vegas, honey, stay tuned. So in this video, from what you guys can tell from the title, we are going to be doing a plus size Vegas lookbook, okay? I'm going to be showing you guys what I wore in Vegas and some tips and tricks for what you should wear in Vegas and give you guys some outfit ideas, okay? So starting with this shirt, this is one of the shirts that I wore on an outfit in Vegas, and I feel like it's perfect because Vegas is very loud, bright, blingy, all that good stuff. So I feel like this top was perfect for that. It's very stretchy, it's mesh material, has a lot of vibrant colors in it, and it's perfect for Vegas. So that's what you're going to see throughout this video, is the different outfits that I wore, kind of give you guys some ideas of what you can wear as a plus size gal in Vegas and still be comfortable as well. Okay, now the very first outfit that you are going to see is my airport outfit. Now in my airport outfit, I did show it in a recent haul. I got it from Ross. It's a 2-piece. It was a jacket and a bottom. Really cute, really stretchy, really comfortable. You really want to be comfortable throughout the entire Vegas trip. At least for me, that's what I wanted. But you know, you also want to be cute as well. So those are the clothes that I would definitely go for when you are thinking about what you're going to wear in Vegas. Stretchy, comfortable, cute, vibrant colors, covers your arms well, covers your belly well, you know what I mean? You want to wear clothes like that and you still want to be cute. Now as far as shoes, I did bring heels, but honey, I ain't wear them at all, okay? I wore these really cute sandals pretty much the entire time because they ended up going with all my outfits, and I don't want to be worried about walking down the Vegas Strip in heels, honey, okay? If you can do it, you can do it, but me, baby, no. Absolutely not, okay? And then the last thing is that you wanted to bring some lounge outfits as well, for if you're just running down to the lobby for something and you just want to throw something on. You could bring like a little throw-on dress or something like that, and just some like flip-flops or little throw-on slides or something like that. So those are all the upfront tips and tricks that I wanted you guys to know about. This is going to be vlog style, so you guys are going to be able to see me in action, in my outfits, out and about, exploring the Vegas trips, and I'm gonna let you guys know where we're eating and stuff like that. So if you want to check out those places, you can. So now let's get on to the video.
So the place I'm telling you is right over here.
Okay, y'all, I'm tired as hell. Y'all don't know what we've been through, but I'm gonna show y'all the room real quick. It's so beautiful. We are staying at the Resort World's Conrad. Look at that, the closet, the little light come on when you open up. They got a robe in there. Whew. I'm out of breath, y'all. Here is the bathroom, double sink, shawty. Okay, we got the makeup mirror. Here's the light. Here's the big ass shower. And it has a little seat in there for you. Yes, honey. And then this is the toilet. Ooh. Bougie mirror. We have a little station here. Y'all know we ain't gonna touch none of that because that's gonna cost some money. Nice TV, nice wall, nice little dresser here. The bed. Amazing. Baby standing there taking it all in. I wish y'all could see this view. I'm gonna have to show y'all when all the lights is off, but y'all, yes, okay, yes. Okay, y'all, real quick, outfit check one. This is a top from Shein. These jeans are Fashion Nova. And these sandals, I want to say are from Rue 21. Really, really old. Got them from a long time ago. My Michael Kors purse, Apple Watch, Pandora bracelet. You know, the first fit of Las Vegas. So cute. Yeah, we ate breakfast at Peppermill Grill and it was so good. And it's so cute in here. So cute. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, y'all, he beat me. Damn. Hey, y'all, we made it into the Fashion Show Las Vegas Mall. We walked to a place and now we have made it in this mall before we go eat. So let me show y'all real quick. So here is the thumbnail from the video that shows this outfit. It is a Puma top and a Puma bottom, and then I have on Puma shoes with them as well. All Puma outfit. Y'all know I love Puma. I feel like this is great for Vegas because Vegas can get really cool at times, and then it can be kind of warm at times as well. So this is the perfect outfit for that. Also for Vegas, you're going to be doing a lot of walking, so make sure you bring some comfortable tennis shoes so that you can walk around in. But honey, if you want to walk around in heels or sandals or whatever and be bougie, girl, do you. But for me and my plus size gals, if y'all want some tennis shoes, honey, bring y'all some comfortable tennis shoes.
Oh my God.
We're about to go to Pandora to see if we can get me any more charms from my bracelet. So that's where we're about to go. And then I'm gonna go in Forever 21. That's down there. And I'm gonna go get the padlock. Put the key and the padlock together.
Let me put the key on for you.
Look at this! Yeah, buddy. And I got a free one. About to get another free one, you know. Okay, y'all, this is the outfit I have on. Y'all have seen this before. I have my little cover-ups, a little coat. Same purse, of course. Same shoes. Yes, honey. This outfit is everything for Vegas. It's perfect. It's very vibrant. Has very bright colors. We have the leggings, the color to go with the shirt. And I mean, just look at the top. It screams Vegas. It has all the colors, the patterns. It's a mesh material. Very stretchy, very comfortable for our plus size gals. Y'all know I love everything about a mesh top, okay? That screams Vegas. I mean, just look at it. And then the sandals just really set the outfit off. Very blingy. Y'all know I'm very blingy. And Vegas is very extra, honey, so it fit right in. So this is a perfect outfit for Vegas, you guys. Really good, perfect outfit idea. I love it. Y'all, of course, know the top is from Shein. The leggings, I believe, is from Walmart. And then the sandals, of course, like I said before, from Rue 21. Okay, now do it the long way. Hey y'all, so So this is the swimsuit fit, all black of course, and then I have a black cover up that I'm gonna put on over this. Fret not, I will have a swimsuit haul from Shein coming soon with much more colors and all that good stuff. I'm gonna give y'all everything y'all need, okay? So let me show y'all this cover up. Okay, y'all, so this is a cute black cover up. Has all the little ruffles and all that good stuff. Covers up everything real nice, especially the arms. I don't know where I got this from. I think I might have got this from either Ross or DD's, but it's perfect. I love it. She loves it. Is that better lighting? Oh, my thing got untied. I might as well leave them untied. Oh well. This is where we're about to go, you guys. They have so many different pools and hot tubs and whatnot. And this big ass screen. Fat Tuesday, y'all. Thank you.
$8 at any of our locations today. Anytime.
I'm like being a terrible vlogger, but I'm living in the moment. So what y'all see is what y'all get. You know which one you want to go to? Oh, here we can get the towels. We need to get the towels. Do you see any two open seats? Y'all, our view out here is amazing. Palm trees right in front of me. Our hotel is huge. Anywho, let me get off her copyright. Y'all look, they put us all the way at the end, like we in timeout, like Gina Janine would say. The elevator is a few more doors up, and we all the way down there. He forgot his water, so he got to get it. Y'all want to see me lose some money? Hell no, not me. Okay, y'all, this is our last night in Vegas. This is what I'm wearing for dinner. Y'all, let me tell y'all, I brought heels, but these shoes have come in handy for every outfit. Like, you need heels when you got some sandals this cute and blinged out, okay? And it worked perfect with this shirt. So cute. This is another really good outfit for Vegas, you guys. We have the skirt, we have the sandals again. Honey, I really did wear them throughout the entire trip because they just went with all my outfits. And then the top, oh my gosh, very cute pattern, mesh material again, stretchy, really comfortable. I paired this together really nicely, you guys. This screams Vegas as well. Vegas is all about blingy, colorful, vibrant, and I feel like that's what this outfit is as well. It's like comfortable but really cute, and that's what I try to go for, especially in Vegas with a whole bunch of walking and being outside and stuff. You want to be really cute for the pictures and everything, but you want to be comfortable as well, honey, and I feel like I achieved that 1000% with this outfit. And it shows the belly really well. It, you know, it covers it up pretty good, and then the arms is covered as well. So just a really great outfit. And again, these sandals, baby, that was everything I needed for this Vegas trip. put down hearts and a happy anniversary for us. Aww. With the view. That's so cute. First time trying lamb chops. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! I can't remember if I showed y'all the hotel or not. We just got back from dinner. So I just want to show y'all real quick. We stayed at the Conrad at the Resort World Las Vegas. It's extremely nice. Alright y'all, this is the airport fit. Just a Puma outfit with my Puma shoes. We're so sad to leave. I'm sure gonna miss this bathroom, the view, and everything, y'all. I'm gonna miss it. I already can't wait till I come back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the tips and tricks and the outfit ideas that I had for Vegas, and I hope you're able to use them on your up and coming Vegas trip, honey. I'm speaking that in for you that you're going to be going or anywhere else. These outfits can work for different places as well. So if you love this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out this next video on where I'm sharing some more plus size tips for you guys, outfits, and ideas. I love you all, and I'll see y'all in my next video.